At midnight this Saturday, DFS Guam has to move out of the Guam International Airport Authority. This afternoon, the Superior Court, DFS's attorneys asked the court to grant its request for a temporary restraining order stopping Lotte from moving in until their lawsuit is resolved. Attorney Maurice Suh opened arguments, saying it's not only DFS and the other proposers' individual rights at stake today.
But I think also at stake here are the people of Guam's right to a lawful, fair, and impartial procurement process, the people of Guam and the airport travelers' right to enjoy a duty-free airport concession won on the merits.
DFS has filed a complaint alleging impropriety in the procurement process, allegations that Lotte and the airport vehemently deny. In its TRO request, DFS cites that not only would its worldwide reputation be tarnished as a result of the ongoing battle, but that it would cause irreparable harm.
The fact that we are being forced out within the context of the Lotte alleging that we should rightly be forced out, that somehow we deserve to be forced out, causes us worldwide brand injury.
Attorney William Abar, representing the airport, reiterated that the evaluation committee was fair and asked the court to deny the motion.
It's now being called corrupt and a sham, and that somehow we're in cahoots with Lotte. And disappointment doesn't really express the airport's feelings about this. DFS should be ashamed that they have made these claims about these hard-working public servants at the airport.
He further claimed that the motion should be denied outright because the court does not have subject matter jurisdiction. As for DFS, he stated that DFS somehow claims that it should be given special rights because they are the incumbent, saying that shouldn't be the case, adding in the airport world, you win some and you lose some. And in this case, DFS lost and is taking steps to oppose the loss. Lotte's attorney Cesar Cabot, meanwhile, says if you strip down the matter, DFS is simply asking for something it is not legally entitled to at remaining with the airport. As for irreparable harm for DFS, he says that simply isn't the case.
We believe, Your Honor, as I'll get into, the harm that the Lotte Airport territory, 125 employees and the Guam vendors would suffer greatly outweighs the possible harm that might fall on DFS.
He further adds DFS's argument on tarnished reputations goes both ways.
We believe that Lotte has expended or committed in excess of $24 million. We're not suggesting that TRO is in order. A TRO would be disastrous for Lotte.
No decision was made on the TRO, as Judge Berdalio says he will take the matter under advisement and issue a decision as soon as possible. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintaniza.